Hello and welcome to EZGlutenFree. Today we're making these chocolate dipped Mocha Hazelnut cookies. They've got that same chewy yet crunchy texture of a peanut butter cookie with the classic chocolate hazelnut flavors of Nutella, although it's not even in the recipe. Now to get started, I've got a half cup of gluten-free flour, which is hidden under the 2.5 cups of hazelnut flour you see here, otherwise known as hazelnut meal, and to that I'm adding 1/2 cup of unsweetened cocoa, which needs to be sifted so there won't be any bitter lumps in the cookies. Now just stir these dry ingredients together and set it aside. Now in the bowl of my mixer, I've got 1 cup of well-softened butter, that's 2 sticks, and to that I'm adding 3/4 of a cup of sugar and a 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla. Now beat this together until it's light and fluffy. Then add 1 egg and beat for another 2 to 3 minutes, scraping down the bowl as necessary. Now add in that hazelnut cocoa mixture and continue to beat until you've got a well-combined sticky dough. Now transfer it to a bowl, cover, and chill for 10 to 15 minutes to make it more workable. Roll the dough into 1-inch balls, and once you've got a full pan, flatten each cookie slightly with a fork and chill the pan for 10 minutes to prevent spreading. Then bake in a preheated 350-degree oven for 10 to 12 minutes. Cool the cookies on the pan for a few minutes, then transfer to a wire rack to cool completely. And while they're cooling, I melted 7 ounces of dark chocolate. You could either use a double boiler method or the microwave. Now just dip the bottoms of each cookie into the melted chocolate and place them onto a wax paper lined baking sheet. Now transfer this whole pan to the fridge for about 30 minutes to solidify the chocolate, and these guys are ready. If you like the texture of peanut butter cookies and the flavor of Nutella, you're gonna love these little guys. And if you liked this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, leave a comment, or share. And for more videos you might like, click on those guys over there. And for brand new recipes every week, don't forget to subscribe. See you again soon.